Hi, I'm Shannon Pulliam with the University of Illinois Extension, and today we're going to be making chicken parmesan. You can make this on the stovetop or in the oven, and today we're going to be making the oven version. Chicken parmesan, you need 6 boneless chicken breasts, 1.5 cup spaghetti sauce, low sodium, a 1/2 cup mozzarella cheese, shredded, 12-ounce box whole grain pasta cooked according to directions. Grease a 9x13 glass baking dish. Lay chicken in pan and pour spaghetti sauce over top. Turn chicken to coat in sauce. Bake in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 25 to 35 minutes or until internal temperature of chicken reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit on food thermometer. If your chicken breasts are a little larger, you may have to adjust your time. Sprinkle with cheese and continue to cook for 5 minutes or until cheese melts. Serve over pasta.
Eat, Move, Save.